All right, we don't have much action today in natural gas, although it did dip briefly above Friday's low, still testing support around the 200 moving average. This is Bruce for FXEmpire taking a look at the daily chart for natural gas. So we have the 200 period moving average right here. That's going to be key because we broke through it. Now we're pulling back to test it as support. If it holds as support, then natural gas may have a chance to test some of these higher levels again before going lower. However, given that we had a 92% rally from this low back here, slightly less from this low back here, that's a pretty sharp advance in natural gas because we go all the way back to the beginning of just started from this high here. That is the biggest rally that has occurred on a percentage basis since the top in 2022. So, in other words, it's overdue for a retracement, pullback, consolidation. That could take a little time. So, if it does not hold that 200, then we're looking at the 20 moving average down here at 237 and some of these lower levels as well, particularly this previous top of the symmetrical triangle at 201 is matching with the orange 50 moving average right now. That is a ways down, but since we hit the top of the declining trend channel up here we hit it. This is the beginning. So one, two, three touches. One, two, three, four touches on the bottom. That means that natural gas could continue to chop around a little bit within this developing declining trading range. Well, I shouldn't say declining because it's not really going to matter unless it goes down here. But for now, we hit the top. That means we could come to the bottom. So that puts the 50 at risk of being hit and some of these lower levels for sure. At the same time, we also have the weekly. Just quickly, I will show you the weekly. We have a bearish shooting star candlestick pattern. You can see the orange 50-week moving average is aligning with the 200-day moving average. That means that a decisive drop below last week's low of 249 is bearish and triggers a bearish weekly reversal. So it was first triggered today, but there's been no follow through. There's been no momentum, so it's hard to really read too much into that yet because this area may still continue to show support and lead to a bounce before lower levels are tested. At the same time, lower levels could be tested sooner. Anyway, that is it for natural gas today. Traders, have a great week.